All right. Well, let's talk about brighter things then. NTPC Green, that's up closer around 10%. The stock is up over 30% from its IPO price. I recall having a chat with the management who was telling us that the EBITDA number from sub 2,000 crores in the past year, well, it has the potential of moving up drastically by nearly around 5 times, in the foreseeable future. And, by 2032, they were talking about 35,000 crores or thereabouts. For the time being, the street is latching onto that. Vivek joins us to help us out to decode this move as well as give us an update on the valuations. Vivek?
Well, that's right. So good afternoon, NTPC Green, shining bright given the fact that today is first at the upper circuit. Remember, the IPO itself, at that time, analysts had pointed out that the IPO was priced to perfection, and post-IPO or post-listing, the stock has rallied 30% from the price at which the IPO had actually come out. So now when you're talking about the market cap, at the upper end of the price band, it was valued at close to 91,000 crore. Today, in excess of 1.2 lakh, almost 1.2 lakh crore is where NTPC Green is actually valued at. Now, when you're talking about, what the management told you, that's very important. We'll just highlight a few more points. You did mention about the EBITDA targets that the management has set. Company, in terms of commissioning, remember currently they have only around 3.3 gigawatt of operational capacity. But the company says by FY26, 5,000 megawatt or 5 gigawatt will be commissioned. Almost 19 gigawatt of commissioning targeted by March 2027. Funding will be done at the most optimum price. Remember, NTPC, the parent, enjoys funding at the lower levels, and NTPC Green, the management, did confirm to us that they too will enjoy the same low rate of funding that the parent enjoys. EBITDA, what they guided us to was that they look at close to 65 lakhs per megawatt as far as what is it that they look to achieve as far as operational efficiency is concerned. FY24, like you mentioned, 2,000 crore EBITDA. They're looking to grow up to 35 to 40,000 crore EBITDA by 2032, where capacity is expected to touch close to 60 gigawatt. In terms of valuations, and that will be the key point to watch out for. Remember, price to perfection, and now it's even more expensive. In terms of P ratio, FY25, 194 times. FY26, 88 times. FY27 expected is close to 56 times. These are antique estimates. EV to EBITDA, a little bit more palatable, but still quite expensive, especially when you're comparing to global peers. 52 times FY25, 28 times FY26, FY27 19 times, and price to book 6.4 times FY25, FY26 6 times, and FY27 5.4 times. So expensive, but nevertheless, the stock has seen quite a bit of a good pop, and almost 30% from where the IPO is actually priced at.
Okay, all right, Vivek. Thanks a lot for that. Well,